Scuffle ensued between volunteers of Kanglei Park Students Association KSA and security forces today after the latter stopped a group of the student organization's members who came to meet Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla regarding the alleged irregularities at Manipur University. During the incident, which occurred around this afternoon, security forces stopped the volunteers of the students' organizations in front of DIPR office at Nithya Park to take, resulting in the scuffle. Speaking to reporters on the sidelines, KSA President Sukham Bidyananda accused Manipur University's Vice-Chancellor, Professor N. Lokendra, of running the varsity under his whim. He raised suspicion over the acceptance of fake certificates and defying requisite norms in the recruitment of various posts, including professors, and demanded a thorough screening. Bidyananda also alleged that the students' organization found giving dual voting rights to a same person in the appointment of statutory posts for administration in the university and amending the statutes 19 Clause 2 of the Manipur University's Act.
Manipuri Miam Asa on the University as a city Mapu Bandaba, University as a line of egg rule statute missing machine to Marakanda, Game Kupuki Mongamada, my Apama Kushira, the Tabak question of Maramokanda, University as a Han, a great lady, be great, and the people Mama later. Masika, you know, Hamatam, Manipur University, BC, whatever, Professor N. Lokendrana, academic over lined up, Hazana Satavida, Makui over Tonganba, Kushira, the Tabak or the Pani, I will home to Mohammed Tamzeri. High River Professor N. Lokendra. Matamsida ko tongan tongan teaching adu non teaching faculty lawbagi hobduksing da yamna irregularities mayam ama even sawa certificate ni aina singnaba adu yamna mo manin ta da ba mayam ama tawrakan da ko professor khan gi tawdok screening process da asoiba mayam ama leikiba yam hena khwaidi level activity ko Manipur University ki administration ki yang charu oiriba statutory posting lawbagi adu ma selection committee da yamna mo ta da ba mi amana voting right ani phangnakan da adu ba statutory post khan kiba kesi na masi yamna kan mong da masi kanem dawi Hurale Nagi Taba Sida Sapsana Masi, a quite Tigalakana Mana, except the Hood Mota to mean election by say, Masi Manipur Konaida, Masi Yamasova, Jelly and Samakani, the Masis Marmakanda, Manipur University, future as a Tungakari or Kataki Habisi, Yamna Nuaitaba, a prince and Amaka Madulay.